Massimo T-Boss 550 dump bed 500cc 33 horsepower 4-wheel drive UTV windshield hardtop dead doors bench 1-year warranty blue color. Hi, welcome my friend. Powerful 33 horsepower electronic fuel injection engine reaches speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Hardtop flip windshield, 7-inch touchscreen, aluminum alloy wheels, 3,000-pound winch, front bumper, rock sliders. We build all units in order. From the time you order the unit, it takes 10 to 14 days to receive your order. This unit does need to be shipped via freight. That does take an additional 2 to 3 business days for us to set up and arrange pickup. We do receive tracking when the shipment is picked up, and I will provide that to you as soon as we are having it. Please note, it does not ship to California and Louisiana. Help reduce accidents and cost by accessing the front and rear camera on the new 7-inch touchscreen. Engage the locking differential for enhanced off-road performance. Specifications: vehicle size 103.5 inch times 54 inch times 76 inch, wheelbase 72 inch, ground clearance 9.25 inch, towing capacity 1,200 pounds, fuel capacity 6.9 gallons, seat height 33.5 inch, dry weight 1157 pounds, engine type 4 strokes single cylinder Sarge, displacement 493 cc, horsepower 33, cooling liquid, cooled transmission, final drive, automatic UTV, reverse, neutral, low and high shaft drive. Drive system on demand, 2-wheel drive / 4-wheel drive. Locking differential fuel system, electronic fuel injection, front and rear braking system, hydraulic disc brakes with drilled and slotted vented rotors, and single piston calipers, front and rear suspension, double A-arm with adjustable preload. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.